getting so hot out here. We better go inside.
Good idea. I hope Becca will make something delicious today.
Yes, I heard he's making something sweet today. Let's go.
Welcome back to Becker's Easy Eats. Today we are making something truly special. Loaded bready pudding. It is so easy to make and super delicious. Join me and I will show you. What I am making today is not your ordinary bread and butter pudding, but one loaded with a lot of other stuff for additional textures and flavors. Here are the ingredients. For the main component, you can use any plain, day-old bread you want. I am using some leftover stale bread I found at home. You can use brioche or croissant as well. Simply cut the bread into cubes. Peel and slice one apple. Here I am using Granny Smith for its tartness. Pour in the chopped dried cranberries. Then pour in melted butter. Toss and set aside.
Hello, Russell here. Remember to give that like button a big bear hug. Drop a comment, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more fuzzy contents. And don't forget to boop that bell so you don't miss a single snuggle.
Now it's time to make the custard part of the pudding. Crack 3 eggs in a bowl. Pour in the milk, cream, and sugar. Tip in the ground cinnamon, allspice, ground nutmeg. Mix thoroughly. Pour the custard mixture onto the bread and let it fully soak, about 20 minutes. Brush your ceramic baking pan with melted butter. Transfer the soaked bread mixture into the pan. In order to add crunch to the pudding, we shall sprinkle the top with chopped walnuts and brown sugar. Now, we are ready to bake our pudding at 175 degrees Celsius preheated oven.
45 minutes later.
You can drizzle your pudding with caramel sauce, or have custard or even ice cream on the side. So there you have it, loaded bready pudding. Thank you very much for watching. Join me next week for another episode of Becker's Easy Eats. Please support this plushy channel by buying me a coffee.